Hi, what's going on? My name is Anant, and in this video, we are finally going to enable the AI agent on your WhatsApp number so that it can handle all of the incoming inquiries. And please note, this AI agent can also be used inside Instagram, Facebook, and your website chat as well. So how we do this is we go to the bot manager for the given channel. Right now, we are doing it for WhatsApp, but you can do this for the other channels as well. Go to the bot manager and select the training data that you just created. So the training data was already created in the last video. If you've not seen the video, go back and check out the video where we created the training data on top of this business called as Cinta Salon. It's a salon based out of San Francisco, and the website is trained completely on top of this on this business. We have given this website URL, and now all of the queries that it's going to respond is going to be about this business itself. So if I come back to the bot manager, what we need to do is select the phone number first on which we want to enable this. So I have multiple numbers and I've selected this number on which I want to enable the AI agent, and then click on the AI agent so that it takes you over here. By default, this is disabled, so you have to just enable this and select the training campaign. So over here, I'm going to select the training campaign, the training brain, the memory, right, which is Cinta Salon. Cinta Salon is the brain which I created in the last video. So make sure you check out that video if you've not seen already. And now what we are also going to do is enable the contextual memory, which means if the conversation has gone and you have exchanged multiple messages, the AI is going to remember the last 15 messages which were exchanged so that it has more information about you, right? And we are not going beyond the 15th message, because post that the AI starts to hallucinate. It won't be able to answer to most of your query, or it will just mess up things. So the context window is limited to the last 15 messages that we have exchanged in the past. Okay, and then post that we are going to restrict some of the price. So you can, let's say, restrict the pricing negotiation. If you look over here, what you really want to do is add about the discounts, the competitors, the pricing, all of that, so that if the human on the other side is trying to negotiate on the pricing with AI, the AI does not give them a price to them, a discounted price to them. Otherwise, you become responsible for that. So you can add some of the restricted topics over here on which AI cannot respond, and then just save it over here. That's all you have to do. Now this number, I'm going to send a message to test whether this is working or not. So I've opened the AI agent, the WhatsApp number on which the AI agent is enabled, and I'm going to send my very first message as, hey, okay, thank you for reaching out to Cinta Salon. How we can assist you? Where is Cinta Salon located? Okay, you can see the location over here, right? What services do you offer? There you go. These are the services that we offer. Do you have spa treatment? Let's see. Yes, we do offer spa treatment, includes facial, body treatments, relaxation therapies, blah, blah, blah. Okay, right? So as you can see over here, it's able to answer to most of the queries that we asked so far, which, the AI has been trained upon. Now, the best part that I want to show you here is, let's say, if a human wants to book an appointment with you, with your business for like any given service, for hair service, for nail service, or whatever it is. In that scenario, the AI can detect the intent. It can detect whether the person wants to book a appointment, and then route them to a chatbot which is going to take them through a flow where they can book an appointment with us. And that is what the intent detection is, what I'm going to show you in the next video. Make sure you watch the next video. This is the most interesting part. If you have any question about this, feel free to ask in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.